To create a neat calendar in Google Sheets, merge the first row in columns A through G. Type in the month and year. As an example, I am using January 2025. In the second row, type in Sunday in cell A2, and then select it and drag until column G. For the days of the month, you have to fill in the first and second days, starting on the right weekday, and drag until column G. Notice that the weekday the month starts will vary every month. Skip a column, and then do the same thing until you reach the last day of the month. In this case, 31 since we're doing January. After you've filled in all your dates, select all the blank rows and resize them. Also resize the width of your rows to your desired size. Now, make your month and year bigger. Make your month and year, as well as the numbers, bold and white, and fill the cells with a dark color. For the blank rows, fill the cells with a lighter tone of the same color and change the text wrapping to wrap. This way the text won't invade the next cell space. I also prefer vertically aligning the text to the top of the cells. Now you can start entering your meetings and deadlines in the blank cells under each day. Subscribe to Kanbanchi for more tutorials.